about the three states which are the key states within South India which are contributing for textiles. So Tamil Nadu is the major country which has significant spinning, knitting, weaving, processing capacity as well as apparel manufacturing. In addition to that, Andhra Pradesh, as he is briefed, is the largest producer of cotton within South India. In addition to that, Karnataka also contributes in the silk cotton production as well as apparel production. So coming to cotton production, AP is one of the fastest growing state in cotton production. So if you look at the share, the South India as a whole contributes about 20%, 28% to the total cotton production in 2012 and 13. And in addition to that, South India has witnessed a growth of about 11% during the last 3 years in cotton production, whereas the other parts such as North India and Central India have shown decline in the overall growth. So within South India, Andhra Pradesh has a contribution about 20% of total cotton production, and Karnataka 4% and Tamil Nadu 2%. So Andhra Pradesh, being one of the fastest growing cotton producer, has witnessed a growth of about 13% during 2010-11 and 11-13. So from cotton, if you move on to spinning, it's a known fact that Tamil Nadu is the spinning hub of India. So Tamil Nadu has about 22.6 million spindles and 3 million rotors, which is about total 46% of the total spindle capacity in India you can find in Tamil Nadu. In addition to that, 38% of the total rotor capacity is also there. However, Andhra Pradesh, with the cotton rich state, has witnessed significant growth within the cotton within the spinning sector, and now contributes to about 90% of the total Indian spinning capacity. However, when it comes to fabric, this country, the region has not witnessed major growth. The reasons are manifold. Of course, the issue is common to whole of India. However, the South Indian, the man-made fiber weaving capacity is lesser compared to other parts of India. So, which is making the fabric production not to be very significant within the Indian context. So, one of the reasons, maybe we have to look at what is complexity beyond spinning. So, I would like to, if you see from cotton to consumer, there are various value chain processes right from spinning, weaving, processing and garmenting. So, as you go close to the customer, you see that the complexity is increasing. So, while at the spinning stage we look at only the count, the weaving, there is a complexity related to construction and weave is added. And the moment you go to the processing, there is a color and finishing. And then subsequently in the garmenting, again you have size and finishing concept. So, at every stage there is a complexity being added. At the same time, as you go closer to the customer, your planning horizon reduces significantly. So, what is the impact of this? So, while in spinning, most of the, there is a made to stock concept, the same cannot be extended to garmenting or for a processing house. So, this increases the managing complexity, so making it higher risk for the entrepreneur who are investing in processing as well as weaving. So, in addition to the management complexity, when it comes to the finishing area, so as Mr. Jaipuri has already mentioned, there are issues related to the environmental concerns, so which are quite important in this context. So, which further adds to the context. So, so ultimately what we have to, as a government, as a stakeholders, when we are looking at this, we will have to understand these risks at each stage of value addition, so that necessary policy imperatives are made. So, beyond in apparel, as Tirupur is one of the major knitwear hub in India, which has clocked about 13,000 crores and accounting for about 40% of the total Indian knitwear exports. In addition to Tirupur, Chennai, Madurai are the other major apparel centers in Tamil Nadu, and within Karnataka, Bangalore is a major apparel hub, and in Andhra Pradesh, while Hyderabad is a hub of apparel production, there is newer hubs such as Visakhapatnam as well as other areas which are strongly coming up.